guys, what's going on? Back to another video, and today we will be opening quite a few of the new Match Attack cards, and maybe with an extra 2, so that would be 6. Nearly 10. I just thought, why not open 6? I feel like it, as I am rocking the new Barca kit or jersey. Have pajama pants on. Let's go. Pajama pants. Roll. So, let's... Yeah? Oh, I'm in the lounge room. Yeah. Alright. Just got back from swimming. So you can... Yeah, we can open a few packs. There's the code for you.
Hi.
If you need to. There she is, bro. Okay. Imbolo. Not all. Oh, Lovren. He has moved. I wonder if Nathan Ake is in the set, because he would be in Manchester City. Klosterman. Leipzig. Damn, nice jersey. We do get Sergio Busquets. Nice jersey. Loving it. Is that? Yeah, an Oblak.
Well, he got one rated attack, but
His goalie, lovely. One of the best base cards you can get, I'm pretty sure. Loving that new jersey.
oh my god.
Curtis Jones, Rising Star. Yeah. One last. Oh, man of the match, long way. 96
pound.
Yeah. Damn, that's good. Man of the match, 90-60.
Can I open one now?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Let's get started.
You want to show me first so I can, there's a cat.
Just don't make any impressions or sounds.
Also,
Making
James
sure
out
they're
there.
all the right way.
Yeah. James out there, yo, I got you. You did guess it. It's a puppy, and I might be doing another puppy encounter. He hasn't been.
Here
Great.
is the code.
There you guys go. Pause if you need to.
Okay.
Thank you.
Connor.
United badge. That's reasonable.
Okay, Connor, come here.
Yeah?
You gotta help me.
I'll help you in a lot of things. Payet.
Payet. Yoy.
When I say it, Payet, bro. It's like you put in the
Connor?
Hi. That's my mum in the background.
Yasma.
Ruben
Connor.
Diaz.
Mendy. We got Mendy. Ooh, a star player. Cocaine.
Cocaine. Cocaine.
Sorry.
Cocaine. Oh.
Get it.
No. Club hero. Fernandinho.
Fernandinho.
I might have to do a part 2. For sure. 100th club. Who is it? Van Dyke 100 club. This is a brilliant pack opening. Van Dyke. Van Dyke and one.
Okay, I'm
I'm
gonna
going to I'm gonna have to do a part 2 on this. So thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye.